Hi to everyone. Hi, this is Prashund and welcome you all to my YouTube channel Botanica. I hope you all are doing great during this pandemic situation, staying safe from COVID-19, taking the precaution matters, everything. So, today in this video, I will be going to show you another reporting plant, how we can report soil mix, everything. And the reporting plant name is this beautiful Coleus plant. You can see this plant. So I've taken it out from the pot till now. So as it was growing big day by day, so I have to repot in a different pot because it was not able to expand its roots in that small pot. So I will discuss about this, how we can repot this plant to this pot, and what are the soil mix and everything I will discuss about it. But before going towards the video how to repot the Coleus plant, if you are new to this channel or you are watching this video right now, do give a subscribe to this channel, because in this channel you will be able to find all sort of planting information regarding plants, indoor, outdoors, its care, its benefits, and regarding fertilizers and reporting, everything. So without much delay, let's get started, and do give a thumbs up if you like the video. So earlier this Coleus plant was, when it was small, so I have reported it in this pot, the small pot you can see. So now it's growing big. You can see it's long roots. You can see it's not being able to expand its roots, you can see. And you can see the plant is growing day by day bigger, with expanding its branches from all over. So need to report it, as it won't be able to survive, it won't be able to grow big, give the proper flourishing that it requires. So that's why we need to report it, because the pot was too small and it's growing day by day big. And you can see I have taken this medium inch pot from the market. It cost me around 20 to 25 rupees. You can see this pot, it has already a drainage in the below. You can see this small one, it already has a drainage hole for the proper water flow from top to bottom, you can see. So I'm going to repot it in this pot, this beautiful pot. And if we talk about the soil mix part, you can see this soil mix. So what I've done this time, I have done a little bit different with the soil. I have taken 60% of the soil is river soil, that means river sand, and remaining 40% I have taken cow dung. I have not taken any sort of coco peat. I have not taken any sort of garden soil. I have just taken the river soil, 60% and 40% of cow dung I have mixed with it. So you can see this soil is completely done. So this is the soil that's required. Because why I have done it, because this plant can grow in any condition, in any soil condition. It does not require such kind of proper soil, coco peat, everything. It just required a defensive soil which can give it roots to expand. So why I have taken this river sand, because river sand doesn't blocks the roots to expand, so it can be expanding the roots properly and grow more bigger day by day. So this is the soil which I've taken, you can see. So I have, after mixing it properly, I have kept it under sun for almost 1 to 2 hours. You can see now it's completely dry. So I will put the soil right now. You can see I have half I have filled with the soil mix, and I have repotted the plant right now. So remaining soil I will put it. This way, in every corner I have to fill it up properly. So friends, you can see right now the reporting is completely done. You can see I've completely soil I've given it to it. I filled up completely from top. You can see is completely down. Now it's time to water this plant properly, as it stays in a state of shock right now because we have reported from a different pot to different pot, so stays in a state of shock, so we need to water it properly. So water it first of all. So watering is complete. Just sprinkle a little bit of water on the top. Done, complete. So let this water to soak from below. So you can see the watering is complete right now. It's soaked completely from top to below, so it taken all the water which is required for the plant. So this repotting is done, but keep in mind that after repotting, don't put the plant direct to the sun, because as it stays in a shock of state right now because we have repotted, so it might collapse. So keep it in a light shady area where indirect sunlight touches it for a few days. Let it get to its feet, then we can transplant it to the direct sunlight, or keep it in a balcony where it can get 2 to 3 hours or 4 hours direct sunlight is enough for it. So I believe the information which I provide to you regarding repotting of coleus plant was good. If you like the video, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, because there are lots of more updates coming regarding various plants and vegetables. So stay tuned and keep watching Botanica Gardening. Thank you.